All right, so we're here live today from Carver High School on location for no reason other than I need the lines in the parking lot because I tried to use this, and that's the football field over there. If you've never been here, this is near Towson. I mean, it's in Towson. It's near. If you've been to the Towson Mall before, it's not that far away. It's like over down a street or two. Okay. If you guys can grab paper, I know a lot of kids. I have like 30 planes because I've been doing this lesson a lot of times last week and this week. But if you guys got, I know they're paper, so they might got lost, stolen, wet, thrown out, recycled, whatever. Um, if you can make a new plane today, that's all. I'm going to make a new one. I'm going to pick easy ones today so I can do it and get this done, like, within the class period. But you can pick any planes you want. The materials for today, if you have tape, you can use any kind of tape: Scotch tape, packing tape, tape, masking tape. So you only need a little tiny bit. You only need like enough to tape coins onto a plane. And bring me to the last thing. If you have any coins, pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, you probably need 2 to 4 of one kind of coin. That's it. You don't need a lot. I have a lot in this bag, but you only need like 2 or 4 pennies. Hang on, there's a truck going. You don't need it, but if you have a tape measure, you could measure and be exact, or you could just. There's ways where you could say I flew halfway across the room, 3/4 of the room, went across the whole room. You don't need a tape measure. And I tried to put a tape measure on the grass, and the reason I came here was because it's so much easier for you guys to see on camera. Each parking space is 8.5 feet. Okay, so I can throw the plane and just multiply how many spaces it went by 8, and then add half feet on there. So that's how I'm gonna do it today. All right. So there's lots of different ways you can do it. So what you're gonna do, is make a plane and try it without anything on it, no coins, fly it, get it, put 2 coins on, fly it, then put 4 coins on, and then fly it. Okay. So that's all what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make 2 planes today and do that, and then I'll show you the results on a board, a dry erase board. And so if you don't have the materials, don't worry about it. That's what you're going to look at this for, and I'll post them in the comment box. What the distances are. So, all right. So what I'm going to do first is make a basic dart. That's a pretty basic plane. So we get a piece of paper. I'm going to say this is a basic dart. All right. I'm going to have to go with that one for right now, though. I'm going to say that went 8, 8.5. That's about 13 feet. So I'm going to try it with dimes because I don't think I've ever did that kind with dimes. Now is putting 2 dimes on here in the front. And some kids ask, can you put the coins wherever you want? Yes, you can. Because I figured out also when I was experimenting this week with other classes, if I put them in the back like the picture had it, that actually made it worse. So I didn't want to do that anymore. So now what I usually do is put them towards the middle or the front middle. Say that was my coins were dimes for this one. So here we go. Trial 2 dimes. Okay, that went way further. So let me say it's 42 or 43 feet. I'll put 42 down. That's about what I was throwing in the other classes. So that seemed like that was about right, 42 feet. But you wouldn't know. Had a little bit of a crash landing there. The tip got kind of bent in, but I'm still going to use the same one. Okay, I'm going to try it now with 4 dimes. So I'm going to add 2 more. And if you want to mix the coins, you can. I still haven't tried quarters yet. Anything. On to my 4. 1 more dime. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm putting them in the front middle, but you can do whatever you need to do, however you think. All right, so we're doing 4 now, and here we go. 2 times was a bad one, but that's what happened. So I'm going to write it down. All right, we're still good on time. I'm going to do one more plane and then do 3 more throws. That looks like the picture. Okay. All right. Okay, here we go. Trial 1 with liftoff. No coins. Liftoff. Oh, man, I thought it was going to go way further, but it went up in the air. That kind of was like one that was almost a stopwatch. It was about 19 feet. Like 19 feet on no coins. I'll tape on. All right, I'll get quarters for the first time ever. See what happens. And the heavy. I always thought in my head the heaviness would not make it that great, but we don't know until we try. All right, here we go. This is going to be trial 2. Let me write down one. All right, trial 2. Here we go. Okay, definitely went way further. All right, so 45 feet. So there's our results so far. All right, so what do you guys think I should add on? Should I do? You guys can help me. Do we want to do 2 more quarters? Do we want to do two more pennies onto it, or do 2 dimes or nickels? I'll do whatever you guys want. I'll try nickels. Okay. Okay, you got it. You guys think it'll go further if I wear this? My arm will be better. Could make me throw better. So let's see. All right, let's see here. 8, 16. That was about 50. So the Lamar Jackson jersey worked. That was the furthest one out of the 3 trials. It was about 50 feet. Okay, so I'm going to go over the questions now. So we know all my trials today with this class, the more coins, the better for both planes, for liftoff and the basic dart.